Hi everyone, it's Sonia from Get Stamping with Sonia. Just wanted to quickly show you the currently Loving Scrapbooking Workshop I just received. So with this kit you have everything to make 3 double page layouts. Got a fun one with these circles. Just a sort of half and half type of page and more circles on that one. See, I can zoom in a bit. There we go. So in a kit like this, it all comes in this sort of large Ziploc bag. You get instructions. It shows you here exactly how many photos you need and what size. These are in inches. Now, if you don't have pictures yet, you also get a whole pack of photo placement art, which you could also use as to mat your photos in. So it tells you how to cut all the card and then how to put it all together. So you have 2, shall we say, sort of base pages. They're plain on the back, lovely kind of a blue with a tiny little grid. I don't think you'll see that on the video. This looks a little bit like some Project Life cards, isn't it? Yeah, very pretty. And stripe on the back, beautiful white flowers. Oh, I think that must be old although. Yeah, so that reminds me, you can probably see, no, they don't tell you what colors are in it. Oh, cute little tiny flowers pattern. And oh, on the back, nice. I give you quite a lot of this, so you're going to end up and have a few left over. Beautiful diamond pattern on the back, and then some two-tone cardstock. So I don't know if you can see it, but one side is lighter than the other, which gives you some great options. Oh, this is one of my favorites, Secret Sea. It's kind of a almost a black blue and look, and then you got that kind of grey going on the back. 2 of these, they must be backgrounds. Yeah. Then you get a sheet of, 2 sheets actually of die cuts in ones. Just need to push them out. Lots of circles for journaling, some of them. You get a sticker sheet. So you'll use a lot of these, but not all of these. So you get to use them on other projects. And a bit of white. And so all that together is what we'll be working with this coming Saturday at the Portishead little crafty crop. So yeah, hope to see you there, and if you want to take part, let me know.